Next, I am going to discuss about the topic switch. Actually, what is the use of switch means it is using for multi-branching purposes. Normal case we are using if else if ladder and switch, but best practice is to use switch because if the number of conditions are too high and our inputted value is true to the nearly last condition of our if else if ladder, then it will take more execution time. Example, suppose we have 100 conditions are there and our inputted value is true to the condition 99th, then it will check 98 conditions, then only it will go to the corresponding block. So it take more time than switch. If we are using switch means it will go directly to the particular block based on the value of an expression specified in switch. Next one thing remember, normal case we are using an integer for specifying case values or specifying an expression in switch. Most of the people think about that we can use only integer value. That is a wrong thing. We can use an integral type of data in switch case. Integral type of data in the sense it may be an integer, character or an enum also. I will explain three type of data with the help of three example programs. First, we can check integer type. Okay, here I just use an integer variable and I use four cases. Three cases for number 1, number 2 and number 3 and a default case. Actually, what is the purpose of default case means if you are not given the numbers other than the case value, then it will execute the default block. It is not a compulsory block. Suppose I am giving the value 1, it will directly go to the case 1 and print number is 1. Suppose I am giving 3, it directly go to case 3 and it will print number is 3. What is the use of break means? If I skip break, then it will not exit from the switch. It will execute a particular block and will not exit from that switch. It will go to the next case. For avoiding that situation, we use break. Okay, I'll run this program. First, I enter a number. I gave 3. Sprint number is 3. Okay, I'll again run. Enter a number. I gave 2. It prints number is 2. I again run this program. Enter a number. I just give 5. It prints undefined number. Actually, we specified only 3 cases. We gave the value other than 1, 2, 3. Then it will print the default case. Okay. Suppose I just remove a number. Sorry, I just remove a break statement from case 2. I just remove a break from case 2 by specifying a single command. What happens? Enter a number. I gave 2. It prints number is 2, number is 3. What happens here? Actually, I remove break. So, my inputted value is 2. So, it goes to case 2 and print number is 2. But there is no break. So, it didn't exit from the switch case. It go to case 3 also and it is print number 3. But there is a break. So, it didn't go to default statement. Okay, clear. So, that is the use of break. If you are not using break, it will execute the remaining cases also. Okay, suppose I am giving here break 3 also I am commenting. What happens? I just give number 2. Then it will number is 2, number is 3 undefined. Okay, clear. So the important thing is to use break. Then why I am not using break after default? Is it compulsory to give break in the default situation? No, because the default is the last situation in the switch case. There is no more session or cases after default. Though it will automatically exit from the switch. After executing the last statement of switch, it will automatically execute. Okay. Next one thing, suppose you have to work a particular block for 2 values. Can we give 2 value for a particular case, I just give 1 comma 6. Is it work or not? Is any error will happen? Case 1 comma 6. Is any compilation error? Let us check. I just compile this code. There is no compilation error. And I just running this code. What happens? Enter a number. I just give 1. What will be the output? Can you guess the output? Undefined number. What happens here? I entered an input number 1, but the output is the default case. What happened here? Actually, I specified 1 comma 6, but the compiler didn't take this value. It just print default. Then can we print the number is 1? Can we print the number is 1? Is it possible? Let me check. I just give 6. Okay, 6. What happens? Number is 1. Okay. So, we can give 2 cases, 1, 2 or 3 cases to a particular numbers to a particular case. But what happens means it will take the last value only. Okay. So, there is no use of specifying 1 comma 6. Then how can we solve this problem? I need to print the output number is 1 for the value case 1 and also case 6. How can we manage this? We can manage by this code. I'll explain. Case 1, then next case 1 after I gave case 6. Okay, case 1 after I gave 6, then printf number is 1. Okay, then printf number is 1. Case 1 and case 6, then my number is 1. Is it? No compilation error and enter a number. I gave 1. What happened? Number is 1. Okay. Next I am giving no compilation error. Again I run. Enter a number. I gave 6. That also number is 1. Okay. So we can give, suppose we need to give more than 1 numbers to a particular case, then we can use this way. Okay. Suppose you have cases 1 to 10, you just have only one output number between 1 and 10. Then you can use case 1, case 2, case 3, etc. up to case 10. Then only one printf. Number is between 1 and 10. Clear? This is also another method. Next I will explain about character variable using switch. Okay. I already told about that we can use integral type in switch, that is integer, character or and enum type. Then I'll explain character. Here I just declare a character variable n and just read switch n. Notice one thing, if we are using a character variable, then we should specify the case number or case value within the single quote. Clear? Here I specify case single quote x, case single quote y, case single quote 3. 3 is also taken as a character, default wrong choice. Okay. We can run this code. Enter a character. I just enter x. It print character is 6. Okay. Again I run the code. I just give 3. It print number is 3 or character is 3. Okay. Again I gave another number f. It prints wrong choice. Okay. Clear? Similar way we can give one more characters in a particular case. Case single quote x colon, case single quote y colon, then printf. Character is either x or y. Okay. Not specifying by using comma. We can use specifying number of cases but only one printing statement. Okay. So you check this also. Next one thing. Next one program also. Next one program, enum, enumerated type. Okay. What happens here? We can use enum type also. First I define enumerated type using type def. typed of enum, and I give 3 values for enumerated type orange, yellow and red, and I declare one enumerated variable. Then in main I just declare a variable for an enum type color, and I initialize the value with yellow. What is the use of enum in switch means, we can use enum in switch. It may be very meaningful. The cases may be very meaningful. Here our cases are orange, yellow and red. So case orange means it will print color is orange, yellow means it will print color is yellow, and red means color is red, default undefined color. Okay, notice that you should not give any single quote for orange, yellow or red in switch cases. Okay, if you are using character, then we should put single quote for case value, but if you are using enum type, we don't need to put single quote for that values, because we already defined orange, yellow and red by using the enumeration. Okay, I think you understand these 3 concepts. So the importance of switch is for multi-branching only, but you have to remember the concept. In switch we can use integral type, not integer only. It may be int, character and enum type. It will be useful for interview or any competitive examinations, etc. Okay, thank you.